Someone say clean chainsaw. I got this to work on. I don't know if it's mine exactly yet, but it's probably a 70s-ish clean saw. I don't know if you guys can see that, but serial number 08530 to cleaning. It has compression. I have the spark plug out right now, testing spark. Gas tank was shut off when got it. There is some gas in it. Stick a little bit, but it ain't bad. It doesn't smell bad. Oiler looks good. I don't know. Look at this, guys. That's your air filter right there. It's a tube. It's so weird. And then the air filter goes in there, and then you got this nice hose that comes down there. Fuel line has fuel filter on it. Chokes right here. Throttle free. The engine's free. It has good compression. It needs cleaned up. Bridge and strap muffler. Yeah, it's a strap muffler. Looks like someone just got carried away with it. Clutch, I don't know. It spins. I have a pretty big bar. Really big bar. Yeah, homemade cover. It has the grips or whatever you want to call them on it. The old chainsaws have. It's a boot that goes over there. Coil. This is a clip-on coil, it looks like. It's really weird. I don't know if it has spark yet. Haven't really tried. But it says cleaning. D35 clean speed cut. Pretty neat. I don't know, I just got it home a little while ago. Haven't had a chance to really look at it other than see what it is. I got it from a neighbor. So there's the oiler line. I don't know if the oiler works on it. No clue. But it's kind of really weird because it's like on, I don't know if it's loose or if it's on springs or what, but it's really cool. Anyway, there's the old cleaning. I'm waiting for my Briggs & Stratton with a home light water pump to get here. It should be getting here any minute now. Also got it from the same neighbor I got this from. I can't wait to get this running. It is a behemoth. Just to show you, there's my hand, okay? Let's see. I'll get my brother's 4-horse and stick it up here for comparison. There's a 4-horsepower laying on its crank. Yeah, it's huge. Oh, I wonder what it's gonna sound like with that Stratton muffler on it. It's not seized, which is a good thing. But I did get some water in the exhaust whenever I was bringing it home, but should be fine. So as of now, this is Big Trucker 2007 signing out.